Hey there! Welcome back to Cyber AI Pros, your go-to channel for all things cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Trust me, you don't want to be the only one at the virtual water cooler who hasn't heard the latest. Today, we're diving into a topic that's changing faster than my Wi-Fi password after a data breach: artificial intelligence in education. And yes, it's as cool as it sounds. Have you ever wished your homework could do itself? Well, while we're not quite there, and cheating is still a no-no, AI is making learning smarter, not harder. Remember sitting in class, feeling either totally lost or wondering why the lesson is moving slower than dial-up internet? With AI, lessons adapt to you. It's like having a teacher who knows exactly what you need, without the awkward parent-teacher conferences. Meet your new study buddy who's available 24/7 and never complains about late-night cram sessions. AI tutors can help explain complex topics until you have that aha moment. It's like having Einstein on speed dial, minus the wild hair. Teachers, this one's for you. AI can help identify students who might be struggling, so you can offer help before they fall behind. Plus, it can handle the grading. More time teaching, less time deciphering handwriting that looks like encrypted code. Thanks to AI translation tools, the phrase "lost in translation" is becoming obsolete. Students from all over the world can learn together, making group projects a whole lot more interesting. And maybe even globally delicious if snack sharing becomes a thing. But let's not ignore the elephant in the virtual room. Not everyone has access to the latest tech, and data privacy is crucial. We don't want AI turning into that nosy neighbor who knows a little too much. Looking ahead, the possibilities are as endless as the spam in your junk folder. Virtual reality field trips, AI-powered labs, you name it. And here at Cyber AI Pros, we'll keep you updated on how to stay secure while embracing these new technologies. So what do you think? Is AI the future of education or just another gadget phase? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read everyone unless it's spam, and we've got good filters for that. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, Cyber AI Pros is your home for the latest in cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. Make sure to come back to our channel so you're always ahead of the curve and the hackers. Stay curious, stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.